In this question, two different statements are given regarding with the boiling points of three isomeric pentanes. They are N-pentane, isopentane and neopentane. We have to choose the correct option based on the given two statements. In the first statement, it says that the boiling point of three isomeric pentanes decreases from N-pentane to isopentane and the lowest value is for neopentane. Before that, let's move to the structures of these three isomers. The first one is normal pentane. It contains a long chain of 5 carbon atoms. The second one is isopentane. Here the second carbon atom contains a branched methyl group. The third one is neopentane. Here the second carbon atom is connected to 4 methyl groups. The boiling point of a particular compound depends on the intermolecular interaction between the individual molecules. If the intermolecular interactions are strong, the boiling point will be comparatively higher. Among organic molecules, when the branching is increasing, these intermolecular forces will decrease. As a result, the boiling point will also decrease. So we could say that when branching is increasing, the boiling point will decrease. Based on this point, we can say the normal pentane will have higher boiling point because there is no any side chain in this compound. And the next one will be isopentane because it contains only one methyl group as the side chain. The lowest boiling point will be for neopentane because they are the highly branched compound among these three. So the first statement is correct and the second statement is giving the reason behind this one. This is also correct because when branching is increasing, the molecule attains a shape of sphere. This results in smaller surface area for contact. Due to this intermolecular forces between the spherical molecules are weak, so they will decrease their boiling point. So both these statements are correct. Option C is the right answer.